This initial solution will show you how to get Edu email. So first of all, open your browser and type here 10minutes.email.net. This is a temporary email provider website where you will get temporary Edu email address. So as you can see, this is a Edu email address, and now you can use this email address, and here you will get the inbox, and you can use this Edu email for 10 minutes. And if you want to extend the time, you can click on update to get more 10 minutes. And here you'll get a recovery key. So you can copy this recovery key to use this same email address in future by clicking on recover email address and give your the recovery email address key and click on submit. You will get the same Edu email here. So that's how you'll be able to get Edu email in just 1 minute. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. See you in the next video.